Hi guys, today we're making sausage chutney. To the pot I'm adding some curry leaves as well as some onion, chili and about 3 to 4 cloves of cut up garlic. Let this fry for about 2 minutes. I am now adding a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, a 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and a 1/4 teaspoon of dhania and jeera powder, as well as 2.5 tablespoons of mixed masala and a tablespoon of crushed ginger and garlic, and just mix a bit and let this fry for about 1.5 minutes. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you get notified as I post. Now I am adding 5 grated tomatoes, as well as about a tablespoon of salt, and let this cook for about 3 or 4 minutes. Add in about a cup of water to allow the tomatoes to cook well. Now add in sausages that have already been fried or that you have done in the oven. Let this now cook on a medium heat for about 10 minutes. And there we have sausage chutney all done. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.